Welcome to this Fernwood farmhouse that's been lovingly restored. Has a 2-stall horse barn, sits on 2.75 acres. There's been many updates in the house: new shingles, cedar siding, and new asphalt shingles. The 25-year high-end shingles, new windows. Also, in the recent years, the foundation's been updated. Come on in. Here on the inside, we have we're greeted with a large pantry. One of my favorite aspects about this home, there's many, is the very large kitchen with the chicken wire in the cupboards. As we can see, lots of room for all those baking ingredients. And one of my favorite Canadian artists in the background, Mr. Gowan, large island in the kitchen, perfect for baking. And also notice the beautiful hardwood floors, large French doors, and installed last year is this manufactured in 2018 Pioneer Princess, Amish built. Super easy to run. This heats the entire home, the entire 5-bedroom home. Lots of southern exposure, great for growing those plants. Again, very large kitchen, perfect for dining, cooking, and living. And through here we have one of the entrances. Love the stained glass above the door. It leads to a covered veranda, which they keep the winter wood, which we can kind of see out there. Also, and here's the living room, the family room. There's one of the puppies. Lots of books. The ceiling's beautifully done. Nice. It opens up into another reading room. Notice the trim. Again, the hardwood floors. And we'll just take a look back here to the kitchen. Alright, coming through again, and this goes all the way around to the kitchen. There's a cute little puppy. This puppy's name is Opal. Then we're going to walk back around again. Again, we'll take a look at the trim above the arch. Perfect room to sit and read or paint. We're going to go upstairs. Upstairs we have 5 bedrooms, 1 bath. Here is the master bedroom. Lots of room. Nice long hallway for some music, reading. Second of the 5 bedrooms. Here we have bedroom number 3. Lots and lots of closet space, drawers, built-in drawers. And then here we have bedroom number 4. More music. Great drum set. And I'm going to go swing around back to the bathroom. And bathroom's here. Hello. Nobody there. That's good. Here we have a large full bathroom. Beautiful pedestal sink. Cute as a button mirror. Medicine cabinet. Love the shelves. Some extra storage. And this goes around to that 4th bedroom. Here we can see the barns from out here. Both barns have electricity. And now this bedroom here at the back has a separate entrance. Extra large balcony. This room could potentially be used for rental income. Extra large deck off here, overlooking the backyard and the fire pit that's out there under the snow. And also there's a separate set of stairs. Down we go. That lead to the back kitchen / workshop / laundry room. And back where we started here. All right, in the mudroom with one of those beautiful antique type of sinks. All right, here we go. And one last picture of this beautiful kitchen. Just can't get enough of this kitchen. All right. And the best way to finish a beautiful video is by this nice wood stove. Thanks for watching our video.